Alright, so imagine this. You're an Amazon or Walmart seller full of energy and motivation looking for official distributors of original brands to launch profitable shipments. But suddenly you face endless compliance checks, strict licensing requirements, huge minimum order quantities, and rejections that can stall your entire business for a month. According to industry reports, 80% of sellers spend 2 to 3 months searching for suitable suppliers if they attempt to do it on their own, often losing thousands of dollars in the process. Hi, I'm Arthur, an expert in e-commerce supply with years of experience, and today I will walk you through how to find official distributors on fair terms in just a few days. Of course, I should mention that on our platform we have already developed a complete set of tools and workflows along with a large database of verified distributors. This allows you to open supply channels for original products in just one click, without wasting time on endless negotiations. However, it is still essential to have a clear understanding of how distributors operate, the rules they follow, and the overall structure of the system in the world of branded products. In this video, we will cover 5 specific steps, from understanding distributor rules to securing your first shipment and building a growth strategy. You will only see practical step-by-step instructions with real-world examples, numbers, and tools, no theory, no empty promises. So, are you ready to turn these challenges into your breakthrough, into original brands and stable sales? Well, let's begin right now, step by step, and see how the process becomes much simpler. Step 1 is gaining a deep understanding of distributor rules. This is the foundation that will help you avoid common mistakes and save weeks of wasted effort. In the United States, there are approximately 400,000 distributors, from niche players who focus only on toys or veterinary products to multi-category giants covering auto parts, furniture, electronics, and more. We carefully filter out irrelevant options and provide access to 200,000 relevant and verified opportunities, ideal for small and medium-sized e-commerce businesses. The main challenge for many sellers is that official distributors often require large minimum orders that not every entrepreneur can afford. In addition, they may request specific licenses. The process typically begins with partner verification. This is a standard procedure that can take anywhere from 1 day to 3 weeks. Distributors need to confirm your reliability and ensure full compliance in order to avoid risks such as bans on Amazon or Walmart. For niche products such as chemicals for school experiments, a special permit may be required from an educational institution or regulatory body. However, another distributor of the same product may not request any permits at all and will only require proof that your business actually exists. It is therefore important to prepare all the necessary data in advance. This includes your business bank account, company registration details, and EIN for identification. Without these, you may be able to view the product catalog, but the ordering process will be blocked to protect both parties. Some distributors also require the presence of a physical retail store or prohibit sales on marketplaces entirely. Certain brands, for example, strictly forbid sales of their products on Amazon or Walmart. That is why it is important to choose distributors in categories that complement your current assortment. Approval is generally easier in basic categories such as home goods, sporting goods, and so on. Do not forget to account for MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity, but you probably know that, and other terms. For top-tier distributors, the unit cost can be as low as $1 wholesale, but the minimum order can reach $300,000, obviously not accessible for new or small businesses. The ideal option is mid-tier distributors where MOQs start from 30 to 50 units at $12 to $15 per unit without requiring million-dollar authorizations. Certain niches such as branded cosmetics and apparel are considered complex because distributors often restrict resale on marketplaces, but categories such as stationery, toys, or automotive products are generally much more accessible with minimal checks. That said, there are also cosmetic and personal care brands that permit resale on marketplaces, so it is always worth requesting details. Finally, analyze the type of a distributor. Official distributors provide full resale rights and long-term contracts. Gray market suppliers can accelerate the process, but you should always prioritize verified options to ensure the long-term safety of your business. For example, one of our clients worked with household chemicals. The verification took just 2 days. MOQ was 50 units at $12 each, and with a $8 margin per unit, this resulted in $400 profit on the very first Amazon launch. Another case, a toy distributor initially refused due to competitor restrictions, but we switched the client to a multi-category supplier, 30 units at $15, total order $450, and the shipment went through without delay. And now finally a third case, well, veterinary products for a small shop. That's the case here. MOQ 40 units at $18, margin of 22%, and the client recouped their investment within a week on Walmart. Alright, so now let's move to step 2, finding distributors. There are 3 main approaches: doing it independently, working with experts, or using our system. Number 1, independent search, 1 week to 6 months. This method is inexpensive but very time consuming. You must already be registered as a business with a business bank account, and your email domain should match your company name. If you reach out from a Gmail or Hotmail address, you may be ignored. From there, it is all about searching, contacting companies, sending emails, and waiting for replies. Getting approval to order can take weeks or even months. Number 2, experts, 3 days to 2 months. Experts typically perform the same steps as above, but with experience and existing contacts. This speeds up the process, helps avoid mistakes with paperwork, and makes negotiations smoother. However, it is costly. Fees can reach up to $500 just for connecting with 2 or 3 distributors. Number 3, our system, 2 hours to 5 days. With our platform, you simply search for product and submit a one-click request through the manager search function. Our system and managers then complete the work for you, usually within 1 to 48 hours, depending on distributor response times. Once processed, the product becomes available for ordering through our platform, minimizing the risk of mistakes in paperwork and order handling. Now, step 3 is selecting the right categories and distributors. This decision determines 70 to 80% of success for small and medium-sized businesses. Focusing on top niches with low entry barriers accelerates your path from search to first order and allows you to see results in as little as a week. Our users generally fall into 2 groups: those who already have a specific category or brand in mind, and those still exploring options. If you're still searching, start with proven categories. Top performing options include household chemicals with 25% success rates, MOQ of 50 units at $12 per unit, and margins of up to 25% due to constant demand. Toys with a 20% success rate and seasonal growth of 30%, ideal for rapid turnover. Automotive parts with 15% success rate starting from $8 per unit and strong marketplace demand. Stationery with low MOQ starting at 20 units and minimal checks. Veterinary products with annual demand growth of 15% and simple approval processes. These niches are flexible, highly compatible with e-commerce, and often allow for mixing categories without rejection. By contrast, branded cosmetics or apparel are often closed for wholesale unless you operate a physical salon or provide million-dollar authorizations. Electronics and furniture, however, are usually accessible through multi-category distributors. On our platform, you can select a category from the menu, review top products, analyze sales data, commissions, and even explore suggested white label manufacturers if you're interested in building your own brand. You can also search by image, keywords, or product name. On the product page, the manager search function enables you to launch a distributor search with just one click. From there, the system manages the rest. Now, for step 4, it's important to note that if you're working independently, your task is to establish proper communication from the very beginning, present your business, and prove your reliability since you have no prior relationship with the distributor. Expect significant correspondence correspondence with multiple suppliers and avoid accepting the very first offer you receive. Always compare terms and conditions. Through our system, the process is much simpler. Once we identify the best distributor for your request, the product listing in our system will display a 100% original badge. This means the product is verified and available to order with authenticity guaranteed by our service. The entire ordering process can be managed through our platform. Our managers handle all correspondence and negotiations on your behalf. You will only need to confirm order details and make payment. Now here's an important note. For orders above $300, you must have a registered business and business bank account. Orders of that size cannot legally be shipped to individuals. Finally, step 5. Scaling your success. After your first shipment, continue to monitor sales, replenish stock on time, and gradually expand into new categories. Many sellers double their revenue in 3 months, moving from 50 units to 500 by maintaining long-term distributor relationships. Do not wait. Register at supplyleader.com, find your first distributor using these steps, and launch your supply chain today. Your growth in original brands and e-commerce begins now. Take action and you will see the results. All our videos are under 10 minutes, delivering only practical advice with no filler. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming content, and leave a comment below. Which niche interests you the most? Is it toys, household chemicals, or automotive parts? In the next videos, we'll analyze top categories for marketplaces with real case studies. See you soon and good luck with your supplies.